Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to face swap in Nano Banana Pro Openart. This is a simple workflow you can use when you want to create a realistic character edit, update a creative image, test a concept, or make a more polished visual without starting from scratch. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need and sprinkle in a few best practices so you get clean, convincing results the first time. I'll also show you what to pay attention to before generating, because small things like lighting, face angle, and image quality can make a huge difference in how natural the final result looks. Start by opening Openart in your browser. Once you're on the suite home, look to the left sidebar and click Media. This is your library. Everything you've uploaded or generated lives here. So if you've already created or uploaded images before, this is where you'll find them, organized and ready to use. Give it a second to load thumbnails. Then, choose the image you want to edit as your base photo. This is the picture whose face you want to replace. For best results, try to use a base photo where the face is clearly visible, not too blurry, and not covered by hands, glasses, heavy shadows, or strong motion blur. Click on that image to open it so you can see the full preview and details. From here, click Edit Image. That launches the editor where all the magic happens. This is where you'll combine your base photo, your reference image, and your prompt, so Openart knows exactly what kind of edit you want. Inside the editor, use the image upload control to add your reference face. Click the Image button, select the file from your computer, and then click Open. This reference image is important because it gives the model the facial features it needs to blend into the base photo. For the best swap, pick a clear front-facing shot with a neutral expression, similar angle and lighting to the base photo, and only one face visible. Higher resolution and sharp focus will help the model lock onto features more accurately. If your base image has the person looking slightly to the side, try to use a reference face with a similar angle, because matching perspective helps the final result feel more realistic. Next, find the prompt box and type a simple, direct instruction like swap face. Keep it clear and on topic. You don't need a paragraph here. The goal is to tell the model exactly what to do without confusing it with too many extra details. If you like, add brief guidance such as keep original hair and background or match skin tone and lighting. But avoid overloading the prompt. Concise instructions tend to perform better. For example, you could write, swap face, keep original hairstyle, keep background unchanged, match lighting and skin tone. That gives the tool enough direction while keeping the edit focused. Use images you own or have permission to edit, and always respect consent and local laws when working with faces. This is especially important if you're editing real people, because face swaps should be used responsibly and not to mislead, impersonate, or create content someone did not agree to. Now, choose the right engine for the job by selecting the Nano Banana Pro model. It's optimized for this kind of edit, balancing realism and detail so your results look natural rather than pasted on. Choosing the right model matters because face swaps need more than just replacing features. The model also has to blend shadows, skin texture, expression, and facial structure into the original image. Double-check that your base image, your reference image, and your prompt are all in place. When you're ready, click Generate. Before you do, it's worth taking one last look at your prompt and images, because a clean setup usually leads to a cleaner result. The system will process for a moment as it aligns facial landmarks and blends the reference features into your base image. Once it finishes, review the result closely. Look at the eyes, jawline, and skin tone transitions to make sure everything feels cohesive. Also check the forehead, cheeks, lips, and neck area, because those are common places where an edit can look slightly off if the lighting or angle does not match well. If something's off, maybe the angle doesn't quite match, or the expression feels stiff, try a slightly clearer reference photo, or tighten your prompt wording and generate again. You can also test another reference image with better lighting, use a base photo with a cleaner face position, or add a short instruction like, keep expression natural, or blend lighting smoothly. Small adjustments often make a big difference. And that's it. You've learned how to face swap in Openart using Nano Banana Pro. From choosing your base image, opening the editor, uploading a reference, prompting clearly, selecting the right model, and generating a polished, realistic swap. Once you understand this workflow, you can use it for creative portraits, concept art, character images, social content, or visual mockups while keeping the process simple and controlled.